Amigan Nagaland state to Hujugledo, Amigan state la Pishiula Manu, Naga Manugando, Christian believers kanaze, majority population do. To idu inia lockdown do huja bijire, aro second time bi extend kuri dije lockdown do amian Nagaland government bra. Aro inia la time de church kan bi sob bonaze. To inia la time de amigan yere viral video ekta dikhibo parije, Christian worship songs kan bajai gine. Idu colony alak alak pra, Kohima la alak alak jaga bra. Manuhan torchlight khan olai gine Auguste ina wave kuri dhaga laga itu la video bishi viral hoa dikhiche itu ami khan janibo parise ki itu church to hujugile do Cross Wonder Church laga leaders khan tan yere tan la gordo hujugile do itu church la niche de ase to ina oro tan opori jai gine tan speaker khan bahar lai digine itu gana ando bajai diela ase gine janibo parise to itu laga ground report lobole garne ami khan NLTV khan yere Cross Wonder Church te ai gine ase Itia amigan yere Cross Wonder Church laga children's pastor ma'am Kenny Deno logore agine se itu itia viral video huine torchlight olaine manuhan in a wave kuine worship songs play kuine thagela do taiba lead kuine na ne youth khan lore ikilot kuri ase to ma'am itu kinia huine start huise aro itu kitia ra kuri ase tula olop itu whole thing la olop detail wa explain kuri dio paro
Okay. Actually, last year what happened was too. When the lockdown thakya tamde man thanda, quite unia thakya tamde something just spoke to me to go and like play the song. So mui jana gana gan bachai dia tamde manu no hena muhe. It was like I felt so good. So I got feedback from people saying that please go on playing the song. Every night I used to go and play. So this year again, lockdown happened. Everything was so quiet again. I took some youths and we went up there, we played the song. In a rati the flashlight response people started responding and flashlight kan online mobiles kan torch kan online man respond DJ to we felt so good and we were just praising the Lord. In that time we got feedbacks from people saying that please keep on playing the song. We feel the the warmness of God in our heart. Ini tahan bra ini kuas ruh jeshe. Aro mohan mon shanti pai, khushi pai. Ini orang itu kami hui jeshe. Tuane to mohan do. Okay, if it's like that, why can't we do that? We can do that. Kuna we started doing that. Ini awatan de. I just believe before we start we used to pray and do, and in the midst we call all the people to pray for the city of Kohima, Nagaland, for the world, and people respond, and we used to pray together also. So like that, it was just wonderful, and I just believe that through the playing of the song, people coming out and responding, I just believe that like they are getting the healing. Those who are sick also, I believe that they're getting the healing. Those who are depressed, those who are having problems, those who are in need, I think they're getting some hope. I was so like touched, and we started doing that. And like Mohana life too, usually it's not stable. Every time we don't have a good life, it goes up and down. It took Ecclesiastes chapter 3, everything has got a time under heaven. Na? So this is a time where like people are so like don't understand what to do. So the Bible says there's a time to laugh, a time to be sad, a time to cry, a time to laugh. So things like that. So I think this is a time God is keeping us silent. Yeah, so there will be a time to speak also. So like that, it says in there. So I think God is working, and tomorrow God will give a better day. That's what I believe, because everything works according to a purpose. So we're just happy for that. And I hear people saying that if in all the colony churches can come up like this, play the song and let the colony have this warmness, now come out together, pray for the city and be happy, pray for each other. They were also suggesting like that. So I was just thinking, that will be so good, that will be so good. So just like that we started, and it's going on.
Do you want to tell, like, it could be calling viewers can get?
Yes, I just want to tell that like, Mohan Sopi Kinyakuwa is so logode. As a believer, I just want to tell that God is working, God is in touch, and I know that better days will come tomorrow. So don't lose hope. mon kushi thakibi faith thakibi alchina lagibi na chari dibi kuina manu bishi bi families khan bi itu virus khan bi nori bimar khan bi iniga life khatam hui jai ine ham bi ase holibi God doesn't make anything mistake, so everything is for a good purpose. That's what I believe. Itu kane mohan sopi we should be ready for tomorrow. What will happen tomorrow we don't know, but just be in touch with God and have the faith and be happy, because even if we die or even if we live, whatever comes we gain if we are in the Lord. So I just want to tell all the viewers, have faith, keep on praying, and don't lose hope.
Itu Post Wonder Church to Ushuguro, Lower Chanmai colony located as in the Upper Chanmai also. So now the Amigan Chocolate Tiga, Tangi Lopaina, Angelo, without the Kuzo. The brother Ami, get it colony Pagana.
Or the colony Lazam.
So church can Gana Baja, the human living.
Do 1 week is now all done in a regular in a timing the budget.
So Ami, in a budget, how the Amikina, opinion.
नहीं मलाई पुरी नहीं सकते तो एक तो फल तो बाले ऐसे किला जिन्हें लॉकडाउन ऐसा तो माने भी बोरिंग होना बितोड़े था तो टाइम पास भी नहीं तो इन्हें इन्हें ईश्वर लगाना वाली भी इन्हें तो इक्वल देख तक गोड़ा इन्हें ईश्वर का इन्हें धन्यवाद करना पड़े वाली भी इन्हें वो एक तो ब्लेसिंग शेयर करो एक तो फल तो बाल रास्ता ही ना सब अपने मोला अपने तो
Thank you very much for that. আমি camera person preview ले लो है, আমি North Eastern Commoner and LTV Nagaland TV गाने